Hey guys, Nick from Fluidampr. Today we're talking Ford Power Stroke 7.3 Power Stroke from the 94 to 97 year model. Part number 720221. This damper is an 8-inch damper, externally balanced, and the 720221 for the 94 to 97 7.3 Power Stroke does include the fan spacer. So depending on your year, make sure you purchase the correct one for your application. The 94 to 97 does require this fan spacer, and it is included. You'll find this with a set of instructions in there, and this is packaged in the foam separately, so make sure you look out for that so you don't lose it or throw it away. So it's an 8-inch damper, as I said, externally balanced. You'll see here your counterweight. This does have a built-in wear ring for your oil seal, so you don't have to replace it. It is machined right into the damper. You have your timing mark, as well as the Made in USA Fluidampr logo. Our SFI number here, the part number itself. The damper ring is removable for these 6 bolts. It is removable from the counterweight and pulley section where you need to get in there to do some maintenance on another item, tight clearances, replacing a belt or anything. You can remove the outer ring. It is keyed inside there for alignment, so it will only go on one way. It is a black zinc chromate, and again, the 94 to 97 includes the fan spacer, which you will need. Also in the box, you will have your SFI card, as well as the installation instructions and the Fluidampr sticker. The installation instructions for these are diesel specific. We do recommend replacing the bolts with a new bolt or a performance fastener when available. The torque spec for a factory bolt for the Power Stroke is 212 foot-pounds. If you have any questions about this damper or any of our other products, feel free to shoot us a message. Email us at support@fluidampr.com, or you can give us a phone call. We'd be happy to answer any of the questions you have. Hope you have a good one. See you on the next one.